one of the best in institute because I have few recommendation from my few of my friends that they have done the digital marketing through Digital Vidya in the past. My name is Debrishi Banerjee. I'm a working professional, and I have been working in a IT sector from last 15 years. So last year, I make up my mind to Digital Vidya past. So I thought that is a very good opportunity because I was working as an IT professional for last 15 years. I recently left the job, but definitely I had a thinking in my mind that if I learn the digital marketing, I can get other opportunities in the marketing department of my marketing course itself. So that's how I last year joined digital marketing, Digital Vidya. And overall, I had a great experience with all the mentors, teachers, instructors. They're very nice, helpful, cooperative, and required in this curriculum altogether. They have covered almost everything, all the basic and all the advanced way of doing digital marketing. It is helping me right now, but I haven't started anything right now as a career, but I will be pursuing some career opportunities in digital marketing soon. Now, because Digital Vidya has given me an option of an opportunity to get an internship, so I joined the internship, and right now it is in the process. We just finished the second of it, and I think after completing this particular internship, overall we had a wonderful experience with Digital Vidya.